Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, let's do a shopping haul of Panda Mart. First is a set of badminton rackets, followed by a pair of house slippers. Very soft, very beautiful. Next we have this plastic water bottle with detachable water infuser. Convenient to carry around with this handle. Check out this adorable frosty mug that comes with non-toxic coolant inside. A pair of cute dupe Crocs with 6 shoe charms, hair ties, keychains. Normally it's between $5 to $8 for something like this. A bouquet of fake flowers. 8 by 7 centimeters flower pot. Notebook. This notebook exceeded our expectation. It comes with dividers, plain notebook. The cover is surprisingly very soft. Compass set, synthetic feather shuttlecocks, birthday party supplies, birthday balloons, candles, number candles, cake topper, very cute hair clips, my school year's photo frame, 12 by 16 inches photo frames, Rubik's Cube. These are my shopping hauls at Panda Mart. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I will see you in my next one. Be sure to check out my other DIY videos, quick and easy tutorials. You will be glad that you did. Have a great day. Bye.